Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to hack Pokemon Go. First of all, you have to download Pokemon Go, which I had already installed. Now go to Play Store, install Fake GPS Go. It is installing. By the time it is installing, we can start Pokemon Go. It takes time to start because in my phone it is very difficult to start it. It is starting. The fake GPS Go has already it is my first video, so I'm very nervous. It is installing, see. So I'll install. It has been installed, see. Now go to settings and go to additional settings, then developer options. Select mock location app and fake GPS Go. Now start fake GPS Go. The permissions have to be allowed. Okay. They will check on it and select your location. My location is in here. Click change version. It will give you a joystick. Sound is very good. It is starting. See, the joystick had teleport option, speed option, moving option, and changing the face option. Sorry. See that the Pokemon Go has been started. Now you can see the green area has been set, and now we will teleport. We will go to the site boxes for teleporting. So I will teleport for this Pokemon. Go there. By mistake. Now copy it. Copy. And now go to this. Paste here. And open Pokemon Go. Paste. And click on OK. You will be teleported to that place where the Pokemon has been. It will take some time because the hack is very not applicable. See, my XP level is 16 and I had so many medals. Did not showing. See, I had Raichu, I had Raichu also. That's true. See, I had also Raichu, I had Cats. See, we have teleported to that place. Wait for some time and it will take us. Pumped out skins and other. Okay. We have enough. Oh, hi. Teleporting. I'm not showing that in Hong Kong. See, we have teleported. The Pokemon is near again. Oh, so we will take. See it in again.
ये क्या करी जा रहा तू?
ओ यार फिर आप बीच में बोल दिए. See, the Pokemon is coming. My net is low. My net is low, so it is giving us Pokemon very slowly. See, the nearby Pokemons are very applicable to us. It is giving us Pokemon till we can get. It is moving. We can take all stuff from here, but my net is low, so we cannot take. We can take it. Take it. See, sometimes it changes us places where we are actually, so we have to pay. Or there we see the Pokemon has been killed. See, it is changing places. And it has many Pokemon. It has been given. Yay! Sorry. See, the Pokemon has been killed, and back I know great balls. So I have to catch it also. Ring. Oh, my throw is very bad. Yes. Please. Oh, it has been done. So, see, you can go this time also. This Pokemon is selected. Good. See, the Pokemon have been killed. I don't know which Pokemon are they. See, one more Pokemon has been killed. See, one is busy. You can, but it is very difficult to move it. But you can practice. Which Pokemon? Not been killed. It is coming. Till it is coming. And it was disturbed. It is mirroring. I don't. I had it. We can catch it. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Very thank you. Oh, that was very. Yes, I got it balloon. Thank you for watching.